You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment to get in shape. In fact, your own body weight is one of the best tools you have for building strength, burning fat, and transforming your body. Whether you're at home, in a park, or even on a quick break, these 10 no-equipment exercises can help you get fit anytime, anywhere. Let's dive in and get moving. Jumping jacks. Wake up your whole body. Jumping jacks are one of the simplest yet most effective full-body exercises you can incorporate into your workout routine. Despite their simplicity, they deliver impressive results when it comes to improving cardiovascular health, boosting energy, and engaging multiple muscle groups. As soon as you begin jumping, your heart rate rises, prompting better blood circulation and increased oxygen flow throughout your body. This boost in circulation quickly warms up your muscles, preparing your body for more intense physical activity. The beauty of jumping jacks lies in their ability to work both your upper and lower bodies simultaneously. The dynamic movement of your arms overhead and legs apart activates key muscle groups, including your shoulders, chest, core, glutes, and calves. This combination makes jumping jacks a fantastic warm-up exercise, ideal for improving flexibility, coordination, and endurance. Additionally, performing jumping jacks triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood enhancers, helping to reduce stress and promote mental well-being. Whether you're short on time or looking for a quick energy boost, spending just 1 to 2 minutes doing jumping jacks can elevate your heart rate and leave you feeling energized. Best of all, they require zero equipment and can be done virtually anywhere, making them a versatile exercise you can rely on in any setting. Push-ups. Build upper body strength. Push-ups are a timeless and highly effective exercise that strengthens your upper body, core, and even improves your overall posture. As a bodyweight exercise, push-ups target multiple muscle groups at once, including the chest, shoulders, triceps, and abdominal muscles. This makes them a powerful addition to any workout routine for building upper body strength and improving stability. To perform a proper push-up, begin in a high plank position, with your hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your body aligned in a straight line from your head to your heels, engaging your core to maintain stability. As you lower your body, aim to bring your chest as close to the ground as possible without resting on it, then push back up to the starting position. Proper form is crucial. 3 squats. Sculpt your legs and glute. Squats are one of the most effective exercises for strengthening and toning the lower body. They target major muscle groups, such as the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, while also engaging your core and lower back for stability. Squats are a functional exercise that mimics everyday movements, like bending, lifting, and standing, making them essential for improving mobility and overall strength. To perform a proper squat, begin by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly pointing outward. Keep your chest lifted, engage your core, and shift your hips back, as if you're sitting into an imaginary chair. Lower your body until your thighs are parallel to the floor, or as far down as your flexibility allows. It's important to keep your knees aligned with your toes, and ensure they don't extend past your toes to avoid knee strain. As you rise back up, push through your heels to activate your glutes and maintain balance. Consistently incorporating squats into your fitness routine can significantly improve your lower body strength, enhance muscle tone. 4. Plank. Fire up your core. The plank is one of the most effective core exercises out there. It might look simple, you're just holding a position, but your abs, back, shoulders, and legs are all working hard to keep you steady. It's the ultimate test of core strength and stability. Start by lying face down, then lift onto your forearms and toes, forming a straight line from head to heels. Don't let your hips drop or rise too high. Even holding a plank for 30 seconds a day can help improve your posture, reduce lower back pain, and strengthen your entire midsection. Over time, try increasing the hold to 1 or 2 minutes for even better results. 5. Lunges. Tone and balance lunges are fantastic for targeting your legs one at a time, while also improving balance and stability. They work your glutes, hamstrings, quads, and calves, making them a perfect lower body toner. Lunges also engage your core, helping you stay upright and balanced during the movement. To do a basic lunge, step forward with one leg, lower your hips until both knees are bent at 90 degrees, then push back to standing. Alternate legs and aim for 10-12 reps per side. You can also try walking lunges or reverse lunges to add variety. Consistent lunges help build lean muscle and make your legs stronger and more defined. 6. Mountain climbers. Cardio meets core. Mountain climbers combine strength and cardio in one high-energy move. They target your core, shoulders, arms and legs, while giving your heart a good workout. This makes them perfect for burning calories and improving endurance. Start in a push-up position, then drive your knees toward your chest one at a time, as fast as you can, like you're climbing the floor. Keep your core tight and hips low for best results. Do them for 30 seconds to a minute, and feel your whole body heat up. They're ideal for quick hit workouts, or when you need a fast fat-burning move. 7. Tricep dips. Target the back of the arms. Want to tone the back of your arms? Tricep dips are your go-to. They're easy to do with a chair, bench, or low table. Sit down, place your hands behind you, fingers facing forward, and walk your feet out. Lower your body by bending your elbows, then push back up. This movement targets the triceps, the muscles often responsible for arm flab. Doing 10-15 reps a few times a week can help tighten and define your arms. It's a great exercise to include in your upper body routine, especially if you're working on arm strength without weights. 8. High knees. Get that heart-pumping. High knees are a quick and effective cardio move that also targets your legs and core. Stand tall and jog in place, lifting your knees as high as possible toward your chest. Pump your arms as you move to keep the rhythm and intensity up. This exercise raises your heart rate fast, making it excellent for calorie burning and building stamina. It also engages your abdominal muscles, helping to strengthen your core while improving coordination and agility. High knees are perfect for quick bursts during a circuit or as part of a warm-up to get your blood flowing. 9. Glute bridges. Strengthen your hips and core. Lie on your back, with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips up while squeezing your glutes, then slowly lower back down. Glute bridges help build a strong core, support your lower back, and shape your hips and butt. 10. Burpees. The ultimate full-body challenge. Burpees are tough but super effective. Start standing, drop into a squat, jump your feet back into a plank, do a push-up, then jump back to your feet and explode into a jump. It combines strength, cardio and endurance, all in one move. Conclusion. There you have it. 10 powerful bodyweight exercises you can do anywhere, no equipment needed. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking to switch things up, these moves can help you build strength, burn calories, and transform your body over time. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, your body is your best gym. Let me know if you'd like a workout plan version, a YouTube-ready script with timing and visuals, or printable guides to go with it.